Color is one of the most vital elements of graphic design. It drags your eye to an image, stimulate critical thinking, and communicate without words. Whether the goal is to design a distinctive logo for a product, create an informational graphic, or illustrate a product, colors play a crucial role to evoke emotions and create a connection. So, how do we know which color looks good together and which ones doesn't? The answer is simple. By understanding the color psychology. The color psychology helps you to choose the right color scheme for a design. It also helps you to associate various feelings with colors in order to build an effective and beautiful design. Now, before you start creating your next design project, let us see some basics about colors. Colors are classified into two categories as warm and cool. Warm colors shows passion, inspire, happiness, and enthusiasm. It gives a sense of power and energy. Cool colors represents calmness, stability, and professionalism with a feeling of trust. They give a sense of honesty and trust. Each color has a different effect on the brain. There are infinite color combinations seen around us. But let us focus on basic colors and their effects on the brain. Red is an extremely stimulating and high energy color. It is the most noticeable color and is used for high impact and often represents important notices and warnings. Overuse of this color can be irritating and lead to aggression. A red color on a natural background can help draw attention to a single element. Orange is warm and vibrant color. It radiates happiness as it is created by a mixture of red and yellow. It is considered to be engaging, welcoming, and appetite-stimulating color. You can use this color to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Different shades of orange represent different feelings. Yellow is a bright and happy color. It promotes enthusiasm and optimism that provokes thoughts and thinking. Dark shades of yellow represents antiquity and age. Yellow is often used to grab attention. It can put strain on eyes, so you must use it sparingly. Green represents wealth, health, tranquility, and nature. It gives a sense of renewal and restores exhausted energy. It balances emotions and inspires compassion. Blue is often associated with calm and relaxing emotions. It also represents strength, reliability, loyalty, and security. Because of this, you can see that most of the technology or social media networks utilize this color. Blue is also referred as the color of communication. White represents a sense of clarity, peace, new beginnings, and clarification. White forces your mind to declutter and focus on the center object. On the other hand, black is considered to be restful and evoke strong emotions. Black particularly works well with white. As you can see, color selection is an important part of the design process. Being a designer, you need to choose colors that affect the brain in a way that works best for each project.